I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Yeah, He was being good to me.
Hi ate, first of all, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. May you continue to age like a fine wine. Yung 50 na pero mukha pa ring 30. Ay, gusto mo yarn. Pero kidding aside, I pray that may God bless you in a very special way. Always know na we're very thankful na ikaw ang kapatid namin. Salamat din kasi kahit nasa malayo ka, you continue to support us in every way that you can. And hindi ka pumapalya sa pag-check sa amin sa araw-araw. Na although nasa malayo ka, ramdam na ramdam pa rin namin yung pagiging ate mo, yung pagsuway mo, yung pag-check mo kung tama ba yung ginagawa namin, and sa pagtulong sa amin sa pagsuporta kay na mami. Kaya ate, sobrang thankful kami na nandyan ka. Kaya ate, ulit ko, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po para sa'yo ate is to have the very best health and long life para po mas makapag-spread po kayo ng kindness, ng love, tsaka yung generosity nyo po. Thank you din po for everything, and miss na po namin kayo. Thank you po and enjoy your day. God bless.
Ate, happy birthday. I love you. Thank you sa lahat ng advice ate, tsaka ng tulong. Take care always ate, enjoy life. I miss you ate, see you soon.
Happy birthday, ate.
Bakit happy birthday? Love you, miss you.
Happy and blessed 50th birthday, Ate Kitin! Hard to believe 50 ka na din. Embrace the new chapter of your life, Ate, because you reaching this milestone is truly a blessing. Wish I could be there to celebrate it with you, but always remember, I love you and hope to see you next year. Again, happy Golden Jubilee. May God bless you abundantly. I love you.
Enjoy your day.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Mami Kitin!
Miss you. Ingat.
Enjoy your 18th birthday, ate. Miss you. Yeah, she's 18.
Oh, okay.
Love you te.
Love you. Miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon. See you in 5 years.
Bye.
Bye, Amelia.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Hi! Happy 50th birthday, Bes! Happy birthday! Salamat sa Diyos na na-reach natin yung ganitong age na 50 kasi alam naman natin ngayon sa panahon ngayon, 'di ba? Kaya it's really a blessing to reach the age 50. Happy birthday at nawan maging masaya ka at na-surprise ka sa pa-surprise ni Micah. And thank you, Micah, for telling me na magawa ng video greetings para kay mama mo. At ang wish ko and prayer is bigyan ka ni Lord ng magandang kalusugan everyday, hindi lang sa'yo, buong family mo. At patuloy ka niyang pagpalain at nawa yung prayers mo ay siya ring maging kalooban ni Lord, maging will niya para sa iyo. Happy birthday, and I'm really grateful for the 29 years of friendship na meron tayo. At next year, 30 years na pala yung friendship natin. Hindi man tayo magkasama every day, or hindi tayo masyado ganun nag-uusap, pero nagpapasalamat ako. Alam ko na nandyan ka palagi para sa akin. At ganun din naman ako sa'yo. I love you so much. Alam mo yan, Bes. And see you when I see you. Miss you every day. Love you. Bye.
Hi ate, happy 50th birthday. 50 na. Alam mo na yan. Ingat-ingat sa katawan. Thank you very much sa lahat. Alam mo na yon. Hindi ko na kailangan isa-isahin pa. Mag-ingat ka. Continue to be a blessing to us. I love you very much. Love you. God bless you, ate. Happy birthday. Hi, Mama Kiki. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hey, Christy. Balita ko, 50 ka na pala. Akala ko magto-30s ka lang. Di naman halata. Ay, mali ata ako ng calculation. Let's rewind a bit. 2005 when you started working in Roche. At turning 30s tayo at that time. Pero higit sa lahat, 20 years na ang friendship natin. Mula noon hanggang ngayon. Our 20 years of wonderful friendship, laughter, and unforgettable memories remain close to my heart. Yung breakfast session natin tuwing umaga sa kantinang Roche, na malimit ako kumakain ng baon mo. Yung date night natin every Friday after work. At yung mga bonding moments natin kapag may national conference kagaya sa Boracay, sa Palawan, yung mga team building natin sa Bohol, sa Antipolo at kung saan-saan pa. Anyway, kidding aside, I am grateful that what we had built is not just a friendship between us. We gained a family. Nagkaroon tayo ng extended family. And even with distance, our bond remains strong and true. Today, I celebrate you, your strength, your kind heart, the joy that you bring to those people around you. Here's to 50 amazing and fabulous years filled with love, good health, and happiness. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday, Ate Christy.
Happy birthday, anak! 50 years old ka na. Nasa pugatog ka na ng iyong career. I hope na habang tumatanda kayo ni Randel, ay lalong nagmamahalan, nagrespetuhan. Ingatan mo si Randel.
Be the treasure.
Yes. Wala ka na makikita ng ganyan. Isa lang ang Randel sa mundo. Mahal na mahal namin yan. At mahal na mahal namin kayong lahat. Lalo na si Amelia na nagiging source of joy natin lahat. Hindi nyo alam kung paano namin kinasasabikan ang araw na makita si Amelia sa video. So, happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Ako naman. Kitin, happy birthday. Yung happiness dito ay hindi lang just a word. It is an emotion that always envelop you. Tulad nga sabi na, Daddy, you are now 50 years old, and as you grow older, I know that God is filling you up with so much happiness, with so much wisdom, with so much fruit sa iyong career. And we always pray that God will always be the center of your family, because God is the one who provides everything. And everything is grace from God. And I know that growing old is not a curse. It is not, hindi yan dapat problemahin eh. But instead, it is a treasure coming from God. Kasi, kung tumatanda ka na, God is still putting something in you that you will make your life meaningful. Diba? So, naiipon yan eh. Naiipon yung mga wisdom na yan na pwede mong ipamana sa iyong mga anak, kay Amelia, and every people around you. So, wishing you a happy, fruitful, and a prosperous life. God bless you always. I love you. Together with the family, Randel, Ram, Maika, and of course, our source of new joy. Kakaibang joy ang dinadala sa amin na Amelia. All of us are always looking at the cellphone. Pag umaga, wala pa bang video sa Amelia? Ay, bakit wala? Ganun. We are always excited to see Amelia. How he is, paano siya lumalaki. At nakita namin na she is a gem in your family. Love you and happy birthday. God bless you all. Love you all.
Bye.
Bye.